Yo, folks, Elthegeek back once again. I was about to get back into the game, and then I saw this part. And since I was really saying that a big part of the community is going to be people creating stages, the next part of the tutorial was actually creation mode, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of that. So let's go ahead and get into this. Alright. Create your own music and create your own levels of music. Alright, it has a spawn point and a goal. Okay, let's try moving. Okay, I got that part down. Alright. Let's place notes in the world. Okay, so let's hold there. Oops. So you can basically see how the notes that I'm placing are actually starting to create a song, shall I say. Alright, so let's add. So let's tap that. Alright, terrain, objects, decorations, and color themes. Okay, let's add some terrain to our level. Swipe this way. Tap. Okay. Use one finger on the rear touchpad to move it. Oops, let me see if I can. Okay. Actually, that's the one thing I love about this. Okay, use two fingers on the rear touchpad to stretch it. Let me see if I can do it here. Alright. Something else down. Move it here. Oh, back rear touchpad. Alright, let's make it this big. Alright, so we have that. Rotate using the rear touchpad. Okay, there we go, I see it. Okay, tap, swipe, turn this down a little bit. Okay, so let's hold here. Tap this one, and hold right here. Rotate and move it here. Alright, got it. So now let's tap this. All done. Okay. So now here goes the ball. Let's see it. Okay. I see. So just off of that, I've created a oh shoot! So just off of that, I've created a level. Let's try to learn the beat. Alright. Got this. That's the end of the stage. So, just like that, I mean, oh, okay, I thought I missed one. Just like that, that just shows like how easy it is to create a stage. Of course, you can do like crazier things with the game, well, with the actual editor, but it just gives you a basic tutorial to go through it. I'm definitely going to try to make some stages a little bit later, and when I make some stages, I'll probably, when I get better at making stages, I'll probably put up some videos to show you guys, so have fun, like I said, and I'm about to go ahead and enjoy Sound Shapes. I think I might be playing it all damn day, so you guys enjoy, and if you guys have any videos or of anything that you create, let me know so I can download them or just post them as a video response of your actual stages. If it's a video response of you doing your stage, I'll definitely approve that so other people can see it as well. So thanks for watching, and enjoy, because this game, in my opinion, is going to be freaking fantastic. So, peace.